Interconversion of benzene and toluene. This is today's lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn conversion of benzene to toluene and conversion of toluene to benzene. So, let's begin. Interconversion of benzene and toluene. First of all, conversion of benzene to toluene. In this case, benzene is treated with methyl halide, suppose methyl chloride, in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, and the reaction is conducted at room temperature, suppose at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Then one hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by methyl group to form this compound toluene. This is a kind of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. It's a kind of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In this case, benzene undergoes alkylation to form toluene. Here, byproduct is HCl. So, this is the reaction by which benzene is converted to toluene. Now, let us see conversion of toluene to benzene. In this case, first of all, toluene is oxidized by strong oxidant like acidic potassium permanganate or acidic potassium dichromate. Or we can use boiling dilute nitric acid to oxidize side chain of toluene. In this case, we have to use strong oxidant like acidic potassium permanganate or acidic potassium dichromate, or we can use boiling dilute nitric acid to oxidize side chain of toluene to form benzoic acid. Now, this benzoic acid is treated with base like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide to form sodium salt of benzoic acid. Sodium salt of benzoic acid, here byproduct is water. Now, this sodium salt of benzoic acid is treated with soda lime. Soda lime is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, and the reaction is conducted by heating. Then sodium benzoate converts to benzene. Here byproduct is sodium carbonate. In this case, sodium benzoate undergoes decarboxylation. So, this is the reaction known as decarboxylation reaction. In this way, toluene is converted to benzene. Conversion of benzene to toluene and conversion of toluene to benzene. Thanks for watching.